Frenira.com is one of those rare online stores that truly redefines the meaning of exceptional online shopping, offering not only a wide selection of high-quality products but also a seamless, enjoyable, and trustworthy customer experience from start to finish. From the very first moment I visited the website, I was completely captivated by its sleek, modern design, user-friendly interface, and well-organized categories that make finding exactly what you're looking for incredibly easy. The site exudes professionalism and elegance, with beautiful visuals and detailed product descriptions that immediately inspire confidence. Every click on Frenira.com feels thoughtfully designed to make your shopping journey smooth and satisfying. What I appreciate most about Frenira.com is the impressive range of products they offer, carefully curated to cater to diverse tastes and needs. Whether it's trendy fashion items, stylish accessories, beauty essentials, or lifestyle products, everything on the site reflects a sense of quality and sophistication. Each product I've purchased from Frenira.com has exceeded my expectations. The materials are top-notch, the craftsmanship is impeccable, and the designs are both modern and timeless. It's evident that the team behind Frenira is deeply committed to offering customers the best of the best, ensuring that every piece meets high standards of quality and aesthetic appeal. Beyond the products themselves, Frenira.com truly shines when it comes to customer care and attention to detail. The ordering process is simple and transparent, and I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly my package arrived. The shipping was fast and efficient, and each item was beautifully packaged, showing how much they care about presentation and customer satisfaction. The customer service team deserves special praise for being so attentive, polite, and responsive. Whenever I had a question, they replied promptly and professionally, ensuring that my concerns were addressed with genuine care. It's rare to find such personalized service in the online shopping world, but Frenira.com has mastered it perfectly. Another thing that stands out is the sense of trust and reliability that Frenira.com provides. The payment process is completely secure, the tracking updates are timely, and I always feel confident that my orders are being handled with care. The brand clearly prioritizes transparency and customer satisfaction, which has made me a loyal shopper. I also appreciate how Frenira.com frequently introduces new collections and keeps their inventory updated with fresh, fashionable, and innovative items that appeal to people who value both quality and style. Overall, my experience with Frenira.com has been nothing short of exceptional. It's a brand that blends quality products, impeccable service, and a smooth online experience into one perfect package. Every purchase feels rewarding, every interaction feels genuine, and every delivery feels like a small celebration. I highly recommend Frenira.com to anyone who loves premium products, effortless shopping, and reliable service. Whether you're buying for yourself or looking for a special gift, Frenira.com is a destination you can trust completely. It's truly one of the best online stores I've ever come across, and I can confidently say it deserves every bit of praise it gets.